History of Lit Blinds store on YouTube channel. Order online with free shipping and get 50% off. Best design for window shutters, decor accessories, skylight shades, wall panels, and sofa set. Wood shutters offer a timeless elegance and functionality that enhances any home's aesthetic appeal while providing practical benefits. Crafted from high-quality wood such as cedar, pine, or oak, these shutters exude natural beauty and warmth, complementing both traditional and contemporary architectural styles. The rich textures and grains of wood lend a sense of authenticity and craftsmanship to the overall design of a house, creating a welcoming ambience. Beyond their visual appeal, wood shutters also offer excellent insulation properties, helping to regulate indoor temperature by blocking out harsh sunlight in the summer and retaining warmth during the colder months. Additionally, they provide privacy and security, allowing homeowners to control the amount of light and airflow entering their living spaces while safeguarding against unwanted intrusions. With proper maintenance, including periodic cleaning and sealing, wood shutters can withstand the elements and retain their beauty for years to come, making them a durable and sustainable choice for window treatments. Whether used as decorative accents or functional elements, wood shutters add character, charm, and value to any home, enhancing its overall curb appeal and contributing to a cozy and inviting atmosphere that residents and visitors alike will appreciate. Decor accessories encompass a wide range of items that add personality, style, and functionality to interior spaces, elevating their overall aesthetic appeal. These accessories serve as the finishing touches that tie together the design scheme of a room, reflecting the homeowner's taste and contributing to the ambience. One of the most common types of decor accessories is decorative accents such as sculptures, vases, and figurines, which can be displayed on shelves, mantels, or tabletops to add visual interest and artistic flair. These pieces come in various materials, styles, and sizes, allowing homeowners to express their individuality and enhance the character of their space. Textiles and soft furnishings also play a significant role in interior decor, with items like throw pillows, blankets, and area rugs adding warmth, texture, and color to a room. These accessories not only provide comfort and coziness but also serve as versatile design elements that can be easily swapped out to refresh the look of a space. Overall, decor accessories play a crucial role in enhancing the beauty and functionality of interior spaces, allowing homeowners to personalize their homes and create environments that reflect their unique style and personality. From decorative accents to textiles, wall decor, functional accessories, and greenery, these elements come together to create inviting and inspiring spaces that homeowners can truly call their own. Wall decor, including artwork, mirrors, and wall hangings, is another essential category of decor accessories that can enhance the visual impact of a room. Whether it's a striking painting that serves as a focal point or a collection of framed photographs that tell a story, wall decor adds personality and character to bare walls, making them come alive with style and personality. Functional decor accessories such as trays, baskets, and storage boxes not only help organize and declutter spaces but also serve as stylish accents that contribute to the overall design aesthetic. Skylight shades are an essential addition to any home with overhead windows, offering both practical benefits and aesthetic appeal. These shades are designed specifically to cover skylights, providing homeowners with control over the amount of sunlight entering their living spaces. By effectively blocking out excess sunlight, skylight shades help regulate indoor temperatures, preventing overheating in the summer and minimizing heat loss during the colder months. This not only enhances comfort but also contributes to energy efficiency, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Additionally, skylight shades offer UV protection, helping to safeguard furniture, flooring, and other interior furnishings from sun damage and fading. They also provide privacy, shielding interiors from prying eyes while still allowing diffused natural light to illuminate the space. Available in a variety of materials, colors, and styles, Skylight shades can be tailored to complement any decor scheme, from sleek and modern to cozy and rustic. Wall panels are versatile interior design elements that offer both aesthetic and practical benefits in residential and commercial spaces. Available in a wide range of materials such as wood, metal, PVC, and fabric, wall panels serve various purposes, from enhancing the visual appeal of a room to improving acoustic performance and insulation. One of the primary advantages of wall panels is their ability to add texture, depth, and visual interest to plain walls, transforming them into focal points or creating a sense of dimension within a space. Whether installed as decorative accents or covering entire walls, panels can introduce architectural detail and style, ranging from sleek and modern to rustic and traditional. In addition to their decorative function, wall panels can also serve practical purposes. For example, acoustic panels are designed to absorb sound waves, reducing echoes and improving sound quality in rooms such as home theaters, recording studios, and offices. Similarly, insulated wall panels can help regulate indoor temperatures by providing an extra layer of thermal insulation, contributing to energy efficiency and comfort. Furthermore, wall panels are often easy to install and maintain, making them a convenient and cost-effective way to update the look of a room without extensive renovation. They can be customized to fit specific design requirements, whether it's adding warmth and character to a living room with wooden panels or creating a sleek and contemporary backdrop in a commercial space with metal or PVC panels. A sofa set is a foundational piece of furniture for any living room or lounge area, providing comfortable seating and setting the tone for the overall design aesthetic of the space. Typically consisting of a sofa and accompanying armchairs or love seats, a sofa set offers versatility, functionality, and style in equal measure. The sofa, often the centerpiece of the set, comes in various sizes, styles, and configurations to suit different preferences and spatial requirements. From classic designs with rolled arms and tufted upholstery to modern styles featuring clean lines and sleek finishes, there is a wide range of options available to complement any interior decor theme. Alongside the sofa, additional seating options such as armchairs, love seats, or even chaise lounges are included in a sofa set to accommodate varying seating needs and preferences. These pieces can be coordinated to match the sofa or chosen to add contrast and visual interest to the seating arrangement. In addition to providing comfortable seating, a sofa set also contributes to the overall ambience of the room through its choice of materials, colors, and textures. Whether upholstered in luxurious leather, cozy fabric, or durable microfiber, the sofa set sets the tone for the space, creating a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. Functionality is another key aspect of a sofa set, with many designs offering additional features such as reclining mechanisms, built-in storage, or convertible options that can transform into beds for overnight guests. These features enhance the versatility and utility of the sofa set, making it a practical and functional investment for any home. Overall, a sofa set serves as a foundational piece of furniture that anchors the living room or lounge area, providing comfortable seating, style, and functionality. With its range of designs, configurations, and features, a sofa set offers endless possibilities for creating inviting and stylish spaces where family and guests can relax, socialize, and enjoy quality time together.
LITBLINDS required professionals for blinds installation. Contact us for Become Our Partner. Order online or free shipping. LITBLINDS work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Dubai. LITBLINDS provide free shipping and get 50% off in each countries. Order quickly to save your amount. Contact US Canada 514-826-5278 and USA 254-708-6262. Or email islitblinds@gmail.com. LITBLINDS. Store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments, and share.